What's up guys, it's Jeff's channel. Today OPPO Reno 10X zoom camera test. Its camera pieced or not? Let's look. The front facing camera is the 16 megapixel wedge pop-up camera and it's looking pretty awesome. A little bit force on the pop-up is automatically shut down, but it's working fine. Back facing is a triple camera setups here. Main camera is a 48 megapixel, secondary one is a 30 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, and last one is a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle. Its best camera forever is totally 16x zoom. Here is a hybrid zoom. What do you think guys? It's normally 1x looking so amazing and different is really high. Okay, let's zoom the 2x. Yep, it's fine. Its clarity is really amazing. It's not bad. And let's zoom the 6x. Yep guys, it's looking really amazing. It's not bad. And more 10x. Yep, the stability is amazing. It's not bad. And let's zoom the more and more and more. It's 20x. Guys, I really like it's perfectly HD and clarity is really amazing. I'm zoom more. Wow guys, it's really amazing. Okay, let's look the outdoor camera samples.